Hi guys, it's your boy Lord Knows FX here again, and I'm back again with another exciting weekly analysis. Okay, so I would like to say a very big thank you to my new subscribers, and also please don't forget to hit and smash the like button, and also don't forget to share this content. And so let me jump straight into the chat for this weekly analysis. So there's gold. I'll start with gold. So I'll start with the daily. So let me clear this chart so that we'll have a raw chart. So you come to remove. Then if you want to clear all chart, then you can remove all drawings. So you see now we have a raw data. So I'll start with the daily time frame. Then we'll narrow down to 4 hour or 1 hour. So with the daily, I'm going to mark my zones. If I say zone, is where the market will react to, and mostly we use the wick to mark the zone. A higher wick. So let's say, for example, here, this is one zone. That's for the daily. This is another zone here, and this is another zone. But it's kind of not close. But you see, there is here this zone. You see what I'm talking about? Okay. So these are our weekly zones we've measured. So with the green line, there are weekly zones we've measured. So this is for the daily. So now that we know our major zones, and we know that gold is in an uptrend. So if I say gold is in an uptrend, meaning it's moving upward direction. It's moving to the upward direction. So like this. So this is the uptrend. She's moving upward direction. So this is the uptrend I'm talking about. Okay. So now let's narrow down to the 4 hour time frame. So this is the 4 hour time frame. This is how it looks like. 4 hour time frame. Okay. So you see everywhere it gets to with the zone, there is a reaction. Everywhere it gets to in the zone, there is a reaction. Okay. So let me go back to the 4 hour time frame to mark an above high. So let's say here. Let's see here. Here is another zone. This is another zone. Okay. And let me give you one clue about gold. One thing about gold is if there's a break of let's say a zone or a support or a resistance. So I'll do a further video to explain what a support and a resistance is. But for now, because it's a weekly analysis, I'll try to be brief. So if gold breaks a zone, okay, it goes for the next zone. Let me show you. Let me give you an example of what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. So let's say there's a zone here. There wasn't a zone, it's a support. Support is when it bounces back. A resistance is when it's not able to break. Okay, so this place currently is a support. So there was a support here to the upside down. So you see this zone, there was a break of it. So it went for the next zone. That's how gold is. If there's a break of zone or a break of key level, it will move to the next level. So let's say, for example, this new key level here, you see it's a resistance. So this is a support, this side is a support, and this side is a resistance. This side is a resistance. A resistance is not able to break. So you see here, it wasn't able to break. So this is a resistance. This is a support, resistance. So you see. So let's say here, it's not able to break. Let's say, assuming it breaks this key level here, it will head for this. It will head for this one. So assuming it breaks here, it's now coming for this key level here. Okay, so you get me? Because same happened to this place. This is a support, okay, and now there was a break of structure. There was a break of key zone here, okay. So because there was a break of key zone, then it further went for this one. It further went for this level. You see this level. So now there's going to, if in case the market breaks this zone, if in case the market breaks this zone, if in case the market breaks this zone, so it will now move for the next zone. So this is the zone I'm talking about, this side. If the market breaks it, If the market breaks this zone, it's going for the next zone. So it's coming for this zone next, this zone next, this zone next. That's how gold reacts. There's a break, retest, and pullback. So I'll do a further video to explain the terms I've used. Okay. So now today let's focus on. So I'm now narrowing down to the 4-hour time frame, so you get a clearer view of what I'm saying. So you see here. So you see with this, if there is a break here, if there is a break here, it will now further come for this zone here. Then you see a reaction. You see. So that's what I'm talking about. So that's for gold. So what I'm expecting for gold is for X. I'm waiting to get more confirmation, like more adapt to like confirmation to what more confluence to my approach. So let's say here. So this here, so here, to here, so here, so this side. So if there's a break, there will be a small pullback here. Then it will now move to this uptrend. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. So if there's a break here, let me draw it again so that you see it clear. So if there is a break, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to use the path. So this is what I'm talking about. So let's see, if there's the resistance, so there's a small pullback. Pullback is when it's trying to reject the key zone. So there's a pullback. Then if there is a break to this key level, this key level, there will be another pullback to this side before it moves up. That's what I'm saying. So you see, with gold, we have to wait for more confluence or confirmation. Confirmation is to confirm how the market will react. So I'm not saying the market has to go to our direction, but the market can change direction. You can predict or maybe make an analysis that the market is going to go up, but it would come that the market will not go up, it will reverse. So we mostly, when it comes to analysis, we don't have full confidence that it's going to go this direction, but it's just your confidence that way. So mostly we wait for more confidence. So currently I'm waiting for this zone to break, this zone here, this zone to break. Then I'll know if there's a break of this, or if there's a retest, it might either sell to this zone, So there's another key level. So like I said, I'll do video to explain how to draw a psych level or a key level. Psych level and key level is it's the same. Let's say it is the same. So if it doesn't break, then come for this zone. Then we'll also wait to see if there's still going to be an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay. So this for good. So let's say if it happens, an entry will be here. So let's say this is how the market, if let's say the market reacts this way, if the market breaks this, then this, so if the market breaks this, so there will be a pullback here before an uptrend. Okay, so with someone, the person can make an entry here, so an entry will be here, so to this zone, so your entry can be here. So it's a ratio of what? So it's a ratio of 1:11. You see it's too much, so you can decide to bring it here. That's for it to be 1. Ratio of 1:3. Oh yeah. Let's say here. Here will be okay. So ratio of 1:4. Okay. So this can be your TP1. So this side, this zone can be your TP1. This zone can be your TP1. This zone can be your TP1. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is my analysis on gold. But let's say, assuming that there's a break below, or maybe it refuses to break. You wait for it to break this level. If there's a break below, you also wait. You see, mostly the forex market is, you have to be patient. Okay, so let's say it breaks this zone. Let's say it also does something like this, and here it refuses to break this key level. then it comes here. So you have to wait for it to break this zone. So there can be a small pullback, then we just sell downwards. So something like this. So you have to wait for the market to break. You have to wait for the market to break. You have to wait for the market to break this level, and wait for the pullback, before you do your entry. So your entry for the sell can be, your entry level can be here. So that's the entry price. So let's say to this side. So to this side, you see. So there's if it goes sideways, like if it goes uptrend, you will know when to enter. If it goes downtrend, you will know when to enter. But so meaning you have to be patient. You have to wait to see what the formation will be on the market. So like I said, when it comes to forex market, your entry really what matters. So you need to know when to enter and when not to enter. So my entry on gold last week. So I had a sniper entry. So this was where I took my trade here. Yeah, I hit TP. Yeah, so this was my so I made let me see how many pips. I made 300 pips on gold. Wow, 300 pips on gold. Yeah, so I was just fixing only 30 pips though. So to make, so the ratio was 1:8. Okay. Yeah, so that was on gold. So quick one, let me jump straight to GBPUSD. So let's see. So on GBPUSD2, I also had a sniper entry. So this is what we call sniper entry. Sniper entry is when a wick take you in, like wick triggers your trade or it takes you in. Okay, so this was the sniper entry I had. So you see when it comes, so let me try and remove the wood. So continue with analysis. Okay, so let me remove this. So guys, when I said something is ranging, so meaning, so from this zone, the whole of this zone, the market is ranging. Okay, it's still ranging. So this ranging. So when I say ranging, it's something like this. So let me do an example to show you what a ranging market is. So it's just moving sideways. You don't know whether it's going to buy or it's going to it's just moving sideways. That's what we call a ranging market. It's ranging. Okay. So you see with this, it's not a ranging market. With this, it's not a ranging market. But with this one, it's a ranging market. So the whole of this side, it's ranging. It's still ranging. Okay. So that's what GBPUSD. So with my final conclusion on this, I would say that this it would still range to this side when you narrow down to the smaller time frame. Let's say 1 hour. So 1 hour. So here, so you see it's refusing to break this side level, this zone. So here, this one, it refused to break this zone, and now there's another one to here. It's refusing to break this zone. So I'm expecting. So we are going to wait patiently. Mostly I don't trade on Mondays when it comes to GBPUSD. I don't trade on Mondays. So I wait for the market to form, then I would enter my trade. Okay. And mostly I have another strategy I call the 4-hour strategy, the 4-hour zone strategy. That's one of my strategy only on GBP. I use it only on GBPUSD, the 4-hour zone strategy. Yeah. I also do a full video explaining that strategy, the 4-hour zone strategy. It works for me mostly. It really works for me mostly. And I've done a lot of back testing and it has given me results. Okay. So I'm going to wait to see how the market is going to form here. Then I would later take my trade. So I'm expecting the market to not to break this support level. Okay, so this is a support level, here is a support level, this side is a support level. Okay, I'm expecting market, if it doesn't break this support level, then it's coming for this. If it doesn't break this, but if it breaks this support level, there will be a pullback, something like this, before it comes down to this zone. Okay, if it doesn't break this support level, then I'm expecting markets to further move upwards. something like this. So if it doesn't break here, so let's say you see here like this, it's refusing to break. So if here it doesn't break this zone, it is now coming for this cycle level or key level. Okay, so we are waiting to see. So mostly you have to wait to see what would happen in that range, then you know when to take your trade. So if it happens that way, if it happens that it didn't break here, you wait for a pullback. So you wait for a pullback, something like this. So you wait for a pullback. So this is how the pullback would be if in case it doesn't break that zone. So let's say like this. So like this here. Then this is the pullback. So the pullback is this. So it will come to this side before it will shoot up. So you can make your entry if you want. This will be your sell entry here. Your sell entry to this zone. Then you do 20 pips. Just 20 pips, that's all. You're good to go. So you can do it 20. Okay, so let's use 26, 25. So you see here, but this your entry level. Okay. So the ratio here is 1:1. It's not bad though, but yeah. So you make your ratio, your entry here, and when it comes, when it decides to break above, then your entry can be at this zone. Your entry can be at this zone here for the buy. This zone for the buy. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing on GBPUSD. Okay. So I don't want to make this video kind of a long one, so I'll end here. Okay. I hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to hit and smash the like button. Also, don't forget to share to your friends. Okay. I'll be doing a video after this. I'll be doing a video explaining how to use some of the app you'll be needing to trade as a beginner, what you need to know and what you need to do as a beginner to kickstart your trading journey. Okay, and thank you once again for subscribing to my channel, and be expecting more of this video. Okay, and thank you.